If you're looking for the Amazon Prime free 6-month trial, which is just a crazy amount of free Amazon Prime, you've come to the right place. There's a link in the description. It'll take you to this page, and this page is where you can get that 6-month free trial for $0. You can also get other Prime benefits like 5% cash back, which is a special benefit for Amazon Prime for young adults, and you get free food deliveries, Amazon Prime Video, etc. So I said it was Amazon Prime for young adults. It was formerly Amazon Student, but it's actually more than just students. So you may qualify if you're between 18 and 24 years old, or if you're a student with that .edu email address. All you have to do is click through the link and then click on this button to see if you qualify for 6 months free of Amazon Prime. And after that, it's actually only 50% off per month. So it's 50% of the normal price at $7.49 per month. Or if you scroll down, you'll see an annual plan where you can actually pay $69 per year, which is even cheaper. And if you don't qualify for this, you still get a free trial. You can go to this not 18 to 24-year-old link right here on the right, and you'll get a free 30-day trial of Amazon Prime where you get all the Amazon Prime member benefits, and then you can choose whether you pay monthly or annual after that. But you can also qualify for 50% off if you meet certain criteria. That's called Prime Access. So you can try Prime Access free for 30 days, and then you can actually have 50% off of Prime. Just click through here and see if you qualify. You can also click the link above here that says Receiving Government Assistance. And just see if your situation qualifies for Amazon Prime Access. But that's how you can get the Amazon Prime 6-month free trial. Link in the description. It's an affiliate link, so it helps support this channel. Hopefully you guys can get Amazon Prime free for the next half year. And I'll see you guys in the next video.